Good morning, students. Welcome to all in online teaching. Today we are going to see prime number and composite numbers. And once again, welcome to the Little Scholar Public School Nanded. So I hope students you are getting all things which I have posted last two videos. You all are getting the good knowledge by my videos. So today we are going to see prime numbers and composite numbers. First, see what is actually the natural numbers. Before going to the prime numbers and composite number, you should must understand what are the natural numbers. So there are some sets of numbers in a maths. So whole number set is different and natural number set is different. The natural number set is different. This natural number set is denoted by n and by this sign. So it start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on and infinity. So the number set which start from 1, this is called as a natural numbers. The numbers which start from 1, that numbers are called as a natural numbers. So whole number set denoted as W and it start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. The numbers which starts from 0, that numbers are called as a whole numbers. That set is called as a whole number set. So today we are going to see just focus on the natural numbers. The set of numbers from 1 to the infinite, from 1 to infinite are called natural numbers. Getting students, the number 1 to infinite are called the natural numbers. So in this natural numbers there are more two numbers are diversified. So that are in this natural numbers more two numbers are diversified, that are prime numbers and composite numbers. Now we came actually the part of our lesson, the prime numbers and the composite numbers. First see prime numbers. Yes, let us see first prime numbers here. So you should must be understand in the last two videos if you have seen, so you get all these things. If not so, the last video go and see. So it is a natural number that has only two factors. What is the prime number? Prime number is the natural number that has only two factors, 1 and number itself. Prime number is nothing but a natural number only, but it has only the two factors, the number 1 and the number itself. So what are the numbers? Suppose that we have taken here factors of 3. So 3 is divisible by in which numbers? Either it divisible by 1 or it divisible by 3. It means that other than these two numbers, 3 is not divisible by any other number. Hence the 3 is the prime number. Because 3 has only two factors, one to itself and another one is digit 1. Yes, for example we have taken here 5. So students, you think yourself, okay, you think yourself, the number 5 is divisible by any other numbers? Okay, the 5 is divisible by only 1 and 5 itself. So no other number is completely divided to the 5. Hence the factors of 5 are 1 and 5. It means that the two factors only, 1 and itself. Hence, like the way 1 and 3 are the factors of 3, 1 and 11 factors of 11, 1 and 17 factors of 17. These all are called as a prime numbers. Okay, these all are called as a prime numbers. Because why these are the prime numbers? Because the factors of these numbers are only 1 and itself. Getting students? Now the composite numbers. Okay, so this was the you are all get. So composite numbers. What is composite number? Exactly opposite of the prime numbers. As we know, the prime numbers have only two factors. The same way composite number have more than two factors. Composite number, for a composite number, it need more than two factors. Here what happened in the prime number? Here in the prime number, it need only two factors. Okay, more than two factor it will be there, it is not a prime. If a number have only two factors, it is a prime, and if a number have a more than two factors, it's a composite number. For example, I have taken the 6. 6 have 1, 2, 3 and 6, 3 factors, 4 factors. Okay, suppose we have taken the 4 number. So 4, it will divisible by 1, 4s are 4, 1. Yes, 1 is a first factor. Then 4 is divisible by again 2, means 1, 2. It is divisible by 4, means 1, 2, 4. 3 factors it came here. Hence, what happened? This 3 factor, it means that these are the more than 2 factors. Hence, 4 also is a composite number. Getting, students? So, the number which natural number has more than 2 factors are called the composite numbers. I hope you all are getting. Let us see remembering points. There are the 2 definitions only, and remembering points we are going to see. 1. The number 1 is neither prime nor composite. It is very, very, very important, because the number 1 has only one itself, single number itself, because the 1 is not divided by any other number. It is divided to another number, but it not get divided by any other number. 1 has only one number, because 2 factors and 3 factors we have concluded now, but 1 have no factor, only 1 itself. So it is neither prime nor composite. So 2 is the only even prime numbers. This is one thing you can understand. Here you are getting, students, 2 number, it is only one even prime number. I hope what are the even numbers and what are the odd numbers you all are know very well. Yes, the numbers which is multiple of 2, these all are the even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, these all are even numbers. The numbers which is other than the even, those all are the odd numbers, like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, these all are the odd numbers. So 2 is only even prime number. It means what happened? All the prime numbers are odd numbers. Yes, 2 is the only even prime number, and remaining all prime numbers are the odd number. It means that. Yes. Now, 2 consecutive odd primes which differ by 2 are called the twin primes. Now, twin primes, it comes a new definition to you. It is also important, but you should be understand what happened in the twin primes. Twin primes are that number if we have taken the 2 numbers. The first 5 is a prime number and 3 is a prime number. Should be a 2 prime numbers. Okay, in between 2, if this different, it comes 2. If 2 prime numbers subtraction comes 2, that are called as a twin prime numbers. Like here it given 7 and 7 minus 5 is equals to 2, 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. So this difference should become 2, that are called as a twin prime numbers. Getting, students? Twin prime numbers. 4th one, any 2 numbers that have only 1 as a common factor are called the co-prime numbers. For example, 3 and 4. Yes, so if what are the factors of 3? 1 and 3. Yes, factors of 3 are 1 and 3. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. Means except the 1, there are no same factors are here from 4 and 3. So what happened here? 4 and 3 are the co-prime numbers. Getting, like 5 and 9 we have here, like 5 and 9. What are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. What are the factors of 9? So 1, 3, 9. except the one there is no other same number, hence it is called as a co-prime number. Getting, students? Yeah, co-prime numbers. Getting, students? Yeah. So let us see how to find out the prime numbers. So Eratosthenes sieve to find out the prime numbers. This is the Eratosthenes sieve, librarian at Alexandria, Egypt in 2000 BC, Greek mathematician, astronomer and geographer, invented a method, this is important, invented a method to find the prime numbers. So this is extra part for you. Because of your understanding, this is extra. This person, this mathematician found the method to find out the prime numbers. So what is that method? Eratosthenes sieve method. It called as, it filters out numbers to find the prime numbers. Yes, it called as Eratosthenes sieve method. So what is actually method? It works, how it works? So at first example, if you see in the first example, he draw a table and wrote the numbers. What numbers he wrote? 1 to 100 numbers he wrote. Okay, in the first step he draw the table and 1 to 100 numbers he wrote in the table. Okay, next what happened? We all are know that 1 is neither prime nor composite. It means that 1 is not a prime number, so he crossed out the number 1. Then this is what the second step. In what happened in the third step? So remember, I told you, remember what? Remember, the 2 is only the even prime number. It means that other even numbers are prime numbers? Not. Okay, so in this step he circled the 2. Okay, circle the 2 because it is even prime number, and cross out all the multiples of a prime numbers, sorry, multiples of a 2, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 14, 16, 18, means all the even numbers he crossed out first. It was the multiples of a 2 and even also other than the 2 he crossed out. This is the third step. What happened fourth step? Okay, here you should it is important thing that he crossed out multiples of a 2. Okay, multiples, he said multiple means which comes in the 2 table, the numbers which comes in the 2 table, or which the numbers which is exactly divisible by 2, that are the multiples of a 2. Now what happened? And some numbers are crossed and other numbers are remaining. So after that he encircled 3 and crossed multiples of 3. It means that the numbers which is exactly divided by 3, that all he crossed and only 3 he encircled. The mathematician giving us rule, it is not important, it is not a simple, it is so important, but it is not a simple, you should be clearly understand. Okay, for clear understanding you should have to see 5 to 6 times this video. In the step 4, just he encircled the number 3 and crossed out the all multiples of a 3. Like 3 1s are 3, he circled 3 to the 6 he crossed, 3 3s are 9 he crossed. Yes, remaining number. Then 12. Okay, is 24, 15, 27, 39. The number which is exactly divisible by 3, that all number he crossed, because those are the multiples of a 3. Now what about the step 5? Same thing, taken the encircle the 5 numbers and he cross out all the multiples of 5. Yes. In the number step 6, taken the 7 number and encircle the 7 number and cross out all multiples of 7. Next 11, cross out all multiples of 11. Okay, so some cross out numbers are the composite numbers. What he concluded, what the mathematician says us, the which numbers are crossed out, those numbers are composite numbers and remaining numbers are prime numbers. Means what? This encircled numbers and this remaining 31, 41, 61, 71, 13, 23, these all the numbers, what? These all the numbers are prime numbers. You can see, you can check this method as at home. Okay, so what numbers are remaining here? 1, the not neither prime nor composite. 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19 23 29 31 37 41 43 47 53 59 61 67 71 73 79 83 89 97. These all are the prime numbers. And you tell me on my WhatsApp group how many prime numbers are there in between the 1 to 100, and you should use this method and solve or practice this method at home. So this kind of way, Erathens sieve given us a best method, world's best method to find out the prime numbers. Getting students, I hope this all are you are getting these things. If any doubts, you can ask me on a WhatsApp group. Ask me on WhatsApp group, and check this method at home. Check this method at home. If the table given, and check the method are correct or not, and update your studies and stay home and stay safe. Thank you, students.